Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe. Today I'm showing you around this Volkswagen T-Roc 1.6 TDI SE finished in white. Powered by a 1.6 liter diesel engine producing 115 PS and paired with a manual transmission, this T-Roc offers great balance of efficiency, comfort and everyday practicality and usability. At the front, the T-Roc features Volkswagen clean and modern design with chrome detailing on the upper and lower radiator grille and halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights. It sits on 17-inch alloy wheels, and at the rear the T-Roc is finished with clean tailgate design, LED rear number plate lights and subtle SUV styling. The boot offers generous and well-shaped load area, ideal for shopping, luggage or everyday family use. Split folding rear seats with load-through provision allow the space to be expanded easily when required. In the rear, passengers benefit from comfortable seatings, ISOFIX child seats, mounting points and good headroom, making the T-Roc a practical option for families. Up front, the cabin feels solid and well laid out, featuring comfortable front seats with height adjustment, dark oak decorative inserts and quality materials throughout. The leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel gives easy access to audio and vehicle controls, while the clear instrument display behind it keeps essential driving information very easy to read. This T-Roc is equipped with dual-zone electronic climate control, allowing both driver and passenger to enjoy comfortable cabin temperature. And the infotainment system gives you access to the climate controls, as well as access to media and DAB radio through the composition media system. You also get phone and app connect for smartphone connectivity, keeping you connected on the move. There's also car and vehicle settings to view vehicle status and adjust driving preferences easily. This includes Think Blue Trainer to monitor driving efficiency and eco performance. The driver will also benefit from the ParkPilot to assist with maneuvering. This has been a presentation of the used Volkswagen T-Roc 1.6 TDI SE. For more information, visit us online or give us a call.